Hey guys! So, we're back. There's another meet this weekend. Pretty many meets at this time of the year. But I think this one is going to be pretty cool. It's called Rollin and it's in the Czech Republic. So it's a pretty long drive. I prepared the E46 yesterday properly by changing the tires. And I also have some spare tires with me. Just in case. Yeah, we're picking up my trailer. I finally have my own trailer. I don't need to steal one anymore like last time. And yeah, then we're off to the meet. I can't really wait. Really excited for it. I think it's going to be awesome. I'll keep you guys updated as usual.
Hi guys, it's me.
So we are still on our way. We picked up the trailer, by the way. Right now there's Mani's Yaris on it. Also we're waiting for Ole because he's just being Ole and he drove the wrong direction. Yeah. Venai. Ja.
Das ist so unglaublich. Das Benzin rinnt aus dem Tank wieder her.
Wie schaut das so aus?
Das weiß ich nicht.
Aber da.
Ich kriege jetzt so gleich ein Bild aus, da drin war ich einer mehr Benzin drauf, wie ich mitgenommen habe. Aber ist eine hängen lassen, nur Spitzel. Und jetzt kommt es aber wieder nicht durch.
Und es geht nichts rein.
Das ist eigentlich fast unmöglich.
Alter, bei mir jetzt dann wieder stehen bleiben.
Ja,
Oder?
wir müssen stehen bleiben, weil wir nicht tanken haben.
Weil wir weiterfahren. Oder es ist eine Tankanzeige hier und das Auto ist voll.
Das Spinni, das ist mir vorstellen, jetzt kommen wir da.
Ja, ich weiß nicht. Das ist noch warten.
Das ist auch nicht vielleicht. Die Sau ist pumpvoll. Ich pumpvoll.
Ist er voll? Ja. Er ist voll. Ist er voll? Alter, der tut. Der tut,
Aber
Alter.
ich habe vorher gesagt, das kommt nicht heiß.
So by the way, we're in Czech Republic now. This is good. We have to turn around because Mani is driving my E46 and he just told me that there's something wrong with the car, so we have to take a look at it. Why can't there be one video where nothing breaks? I swear to God, it's impossible. The video hasn't even started and something's broken already. We haven't even arrived. Oh.
Ich glaube, dass die andere so ist.
Oh.
Schau.
Stiefels, Papa. Hey, das ist ja geil.
Mag einer vielleicht noch einen Donut? Ja, danke.
Ja, machen wir welche, aber wenn das Auto hier ist.
Ich meine den jetzt.
Oh yeah, we kind of made it. Ole is already escalating.
I do it for the video.
Okay. Yeah, we're trying to drift. No, we're trying to see what's wrong with the car. They're drifting. Servus!
Hallo!
So, just a little recap. After driving for like 8 hours, because they told us the police is really strict, so we did like a unnecessary amount of way. The car broke down 10 minutes before we arrived at the meet, and we're trying to fix it now, so that hopefully I can do some more donuts.
Aber Mani, ja? Da schauen wir. Das Tief ist ja komplett locker. Ja.
So right now we're trying to find a screw because there's a screw missing actually.
Huh?
What's your name, by the way?
Mario.
Mario and Gabriel. I love you both.
Okay.
No. That's it.
Yeah. Awesome.
I think they fixed it actually because we didn't fix shit. Oh,
Hey.
perfect.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect again.
Yeah.
Where's the fucking
Ja, wat zag je?
So, by the way, the car is working again. Now it's time to.
That's absolute fun. The speed is.
Yeah, now it's time to. I don't know. Yeah, you see it, yeah. Das geht auch voll gut, Alter. Mir ist so geil. Now it's the next day. He slept in a bathtub for like 3 hours and is now like an old man. I was already doing some burnouts with the E46. And I think the whole day today is only about doing burnouts. I think we need some new wheels, Jiro.
Ja, it's fine.
Wenn nichts kaputt geht, was fahren.
Good. Yep, very good.
Insane with the new map. I didn't know the car was spitting flames because Mani had it for service.
Yeah.
And I drove it back there to warm it up.
Yeah.
And the car was shooting flames out of the back. And we're like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wake up feeling happy about myself.
Marius, nimm dich gescheit fest.
Oh baby.
We're going to the Asia market now. To buy some stuff.
ist das? Welcome. Geiler. Boah, Fußmatten für die neue Karre.
Ich würde die auch nehmen.
Ja, oder
Echter Beton.
Louis Carton.
Kakon.
Nicht ganz.
Warte mal, warte mal, okay.
Which one is the right one?
Aber so, die Daytona schon gesehen.
Hallo Kollege. Hitman. Gib uns das Ganze gut. Das ist so geil.
Das ist so geil.
So, hey guys, it's the next day now, last day of this event, and I think
Pretty insane.
yeah, I think we're the last people here.
Yeah.
We are uploading all the cars now, getting ready to go back home. The E46 is on the trailer. I think the control arm on the back is broken, or is it called the
Yeah, control arm.
I think, yeah. It's not broken, but it's bent, so we need to fix that. Nothing major, luckily. So another car event done. I hope the next few weekends will be a bit more adventure and less car meets and less drinking.
Less drinking, yeah, man.
Less drinking.